You got a ceiling fan with an outdated light. It's not bright enough, it's too dim. I'm going to show you how to update it right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back. Check it out. My back room, it's a big room, and the ceiling fan in there, as many of them are, they get outdated. It produces a light that looks like it's got like a 60 to 75 watt light bulb in there, and I don't want that. I want it brighter. I'm in there taking selfies. I gotta get the good light. This is why it's so frustrating. Look how dark it is. I'm standing right under the light. You can't take pictures or videos back here at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna modify the fan I already have and just put a light on it. If you're interested in the light that I have in this exact video, I went to Home Depot and I went for a Hampton Bay light, 225 watt equivalent LED, which only uses really 30 something watts itself. Show it to you. You heard it right. I've got a Hunter fan and I'm gonna drop a Hampton Bay light on it, baby. Woo!
Hell no, dude! Oh.
1,690 lumens, 15-inch diameter, about the size of a car wheel, and the globe. Now that looked good, nice, and like something you'd see in every household you go into and stuff. But get it out of here! Get it out of here! All I'm gonna put on my fan is that piece right there. That's it. 4 screws here. Also the LED pattern, you'll notice it has little individual diodes in the middle. Then the outside it has clusters of 3 that are in like a little cylinder that makes the light fly out. Got that off? Now I'm gonna put this back on with those screws, put some nuts in the back. People sitting there might look up and think, what the heck is that? Like a conversation piece or whatever. I got a lot of those around. A lot of videos on here, stuff like that too. Let's go see what happens. It's just a little bit of ambient glow, no light at all. There's the fan. You have to find out how to get that light kit off of that fan and get a new one on. So we're looking for a mounting point. This might be different for each application. We can take a look at the way this new light mounts. We have about a 4-inch bar here. There's a hole in the middle, 2 on the sides, so we can either mount it here or in the middle. Depends on what's up in that fan. There's the existing LED ring I was telling you about. It's really nice and stuff, but it just does not light the room at all. So I could put that thing right here, or I can get rid of all this, and these screws up in here would be perfect. Get the power off real quick. I want that 4-inch piece to mount right here flush. So I'm gonna take this off. The basic wiring in your fan, you got 2 wires coming in from the ceiling that go to your fan. One's positive, one's negative. Basically, they go into a switch that tells them whether or not to go to the fan or the light, or both. But when you're dealing with the light fixture at the bottom, all that is after the switch. So I can just find the wires that come out of the light and cut them off and put our new wires right there. Doesn't get any easier than that. That chain right through the hole. Put the ground right in there. Twist up our positive and negative. Now this right here goes in that center hole, and I can take it as high or as low as I want it. I just got to clearance my wires here, and then a nut goes on the end that holds the light. Light on, goes through the tube. I see one modification I'm gonna have to make. I have to drill a hole in this cap. Hold it! Oh yeah. That hole's gonna work out just fine. Then I can go up top and I can lower the nut on the top down to smash it nice and tight. She is installed and she looks cool. It's like a science experiment, like I was saying up there. Turn the electric back on. Time to flip the switch. Flip the switch. Back on the iPhone, setting this thing up. I mean, holy cow. Look at this. It's amazing. Hey, Dodo, what are you doing? No lights but the new light. Oh man, world of difference. Couldn't take videos before. Now I can take videos. I can post all kinds of selfies all over Tinder. There we go. Turned out freaking awesome. You can see perfect in there now. I love it. Most people though would go with the conventional whole light setup. I understand that. It's probably what you want to do. My flavor might not have matched yours. But if you want, go ahead and try it out. You might like it. Other thing I forgot to say, the reason I bought just the light, not the whole fan, is because I got the light for $30. The whole fan with a setup like that on it costs you a couple hundred, maybe more. And I can think of a whole lot of nice, cool stuff I'd rather have than another fan that I have that already works. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I've got over 100 videos on there. Check them out, check them out. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.